Hello and welcome to a video on making a tossed tin fish mackerel curry. Are you ready? Let me run you through the ingredients and what you need to do. First, start with a can of fish. Now this is salted mackerel, so all you need to do is just open up the can and break it into small pieces, depending on how small you want them, and put it into a bowl. Then all you need to do is get a packet of chili powder. Now, depending on the size of the tin that you're using, like if it is a small tin such as this one, all you need to do is put 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now, once you've done that, you need to mix it with the fish. Just toss it in together and then add a pinch of salt and just mix it up. Just mix it very well with the fish. And keep in mind that if you want it to be extra spicy, you can add a little more chili powder, and salt. Again, you can add salt to taste. Now, with that set aside in a bowl, take a big onion and chop it up into pieces and keep it aside in another bowl. And then take a pan, keep it on the stove, and add some margarine or butter inside. Add about 2 tablespoons if it is a small tin fish about that big. Use about 4 if it's a bigger can. And then let the butter melt in. Then add the chopped onion into the melted butter. Toss it around and then add the mixture that you have in the bowl into the pan and just toss it around for about 3 to 5 minutes. Keep in mind that the tinned mackerel is already cooked, so you don't really need to wait too long. So just toss it around for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then just put it into a serving dish. And if you have steamed rice to go with it, then there you have your mackerel curry with steamed rice. So enjoy.